Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to create a new PayPal account on iPhone step-by-step guide. First, download the PayPal app, open the App Store, search PayPal and tap Get to install it. Next, once you're on the page, go ahead and click on sign up, then enter your email. After that, add your phone number, then go ahead and check your SMS or WhatsApp. A code will be sent to you, or you can directly click from messages once it pops up. Next, create a strong password, and that's it. Now it will send you guys a notification if you guys would like to save this password in your iCloud or not. If you want, just click save password. If you don't want, just click not now. But if it's better if you guys save it so you don't lose your account. And just type in your first name and then middle name and date of birth. Just click next, go to address and enter your postal code. Once you're done filling up all these credentials, check your inbox for PayPal verification link and tap it to activate your account. Privacy tip: use a strong password and enable two-step verification for extra security. Quick fix: if the setup fails, restart the app and retry with a different internet connection. You can also sign up directly at paypal.com if the app glitches. Subscribe for more